Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to set up an iPhone focus mode for deep work. So go ahead to the settings, scroll a bit down to find focus, press focus, right? And hit the plus button here to create a custom one, right? So go ahead to tap custom, name basically your focus mode, right? Let's say chilling. And the color should be orange, or if you have a sticker that would fit, then go ahead and add the sticker. Hit next. You can customize the focus. Then you can restrict notifications to essential contacts, apps, right? Allow some maybe phone app, right? If someone wanted to reach out, then they can reach out even if you set up the chilling focus, okay? So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time.